Hey y'all, Troy Quiroz over here at Mac Haik Ford Lincoln in Georgetown. You're sitting in a brand new 2024 Lincoln Nautilus here on the showroom floor today, and you're wanting to set up your phone to your car. Let me show you guys how to do that. So off the bat, on the home screen with this home button, you're gonna see add phone. You're gonna go over here and press add phone, and then you're gonna go to your phone, and then you're gonna look on Bluetooth, scroll down, and look for Lincoln Nautilus. It's gonna be available to you as it's loading up. And you're gonna have to click the Lincoln Nautilus, and give it time to let it connect. And then it's gonna say, make sure you pair with the same number, then you'll press pair, then you'll press pair, press allow on your phone, and you're all connected. And then it's up to you if you want enable 911 assist. I personally, it doesn't really matter to me. I press disable most of the time. And then also, you want to improve by calling and texting your contacts, connecting your contacts, you press continue. And this one also does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And how you get to that is you'll come over here to the 6 dots on the side, you'll click that, you'll look for Android Auto, and you'll look for Apple CarPlay. Depending on what phone you have, I have an Apple, so I'll go over to Apple CarPlay. I'll click that, I'll go to Bluetooth settings over here. You're gonna look at your Apple iPhone and you're gonna press use CarPlay. That only pops up when you click that logo right there. And then you press use CarPlay on your phone, and then you press use Apple CarPlay on your Lincoln. And you give it time and you're all connected. And thanks again guys for watching, and this is how you connect a phone to your brand new 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. Do not hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions on your brand new 2024 Lincoln, or any Lincoln that you have, or any of the Fords. Again, we're here to serve you and your family at the highest level and give you guys world-class customer service. Call us 512-767-2541 or shoot us a text. All right, thank you.